Yo, what's good, everybody? Crypto God NYC here, and we about to catch another airdrop. We got the Bitcoin cats. About to catch this cat token, I believe, is what we catching, right? So we're gonna go into our MetaMask wallet, open it up, and we're gonna change our network to the Ethereum mainnet, right? It's gonna be up here to the top left if you're on your computer. If you're on your mobile device, I believe it's like somewhere up here, and then you just click it. It's gonna say Ethereum most likely automatically, so you're good. Don't worry about that. So boom, we're connected. Now we have to follow these people on Twitter. All right, signing contract, sign, follow, go on Twitter, authorize. Oh shit, about to follow them on my NFT account. Not good. And then boom, that's it right there. Now what you want to do is you want to send out this invite code and get everything started. But yeah, another thing that you want to do, if you do have some cat token, you want to bridge it. So if you bridge it, you get more points. So that's another thing as well. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and share.